Good morning, German 1 students. Unfortunately, I've just woken up in the middle of the night here with a super bad sore throat, and it's kind of hard to talk, so I'm sorry that I sound dumb. Um, I need to take the day to rest so that way I can get back to you as quickly as possible. So please make sure that today you work really hard on practicing for any mastery checks you might be missing, and also getting those course companions and practice packets done so upon my return you can bust out as many mastery checks as you need to be successful, okay? Deadline's just around the corner, folks, so please make sure you are focused on your work. I will come back to school just as quick as I possibly can, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.